In this episode of FAQ with AGIQ, I'm going to answer the question, should you have a first aid kit of spare parts for your HVAC equipment on site? And the answer is obviously yes. Even if that equipment is under warranty, warranty parts may not be available to you locally or available to you in short order. With the COVID-19 pandemic, supply chain challenges continuing to exist and lead times across the board for manufacturers in parts going up, it's harder and harder to maintain adequate warranty stock at a manufacturer. And so ultimately, that's leading to longer, even warranty parts for customers. This is a process application. You need your equipment up and running in order to make money, in order to grow plants. And one of the easiest ways for you to do that is to have some critical parts in stock, and any reputable manufacturer will allow you to purchase a spare parts kit, consume those spare parts on warranty repairs, and then replenish them free of charge under their warranty policy. And so that's a great way for you to spend, typically only a couple percent of the equipment cost, 1.5%, 2%, something like that, truly that low. Have some critical parts in stock, long lead time items, or items that are not available locally to you, but allow you to get your equipment back up and running as soon as you can get a mechanical contractor out to fix the problem, as opposed to waiting for a part to ship to you and incurring whatever timeline ultimately that the global supply chain is going to afford you. The short answer is yes. Have a spare parts kit on site. It's absolutely worth doing, and it's really, really cheap insurance.